Okay, good morning, everyone. Sorry, it's good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. So we'll continue with the test. Today, you all were having problem in the application. So that is why your test has been scheduled on Saturday. And please give your test properly. If you people will get below 15 marks, you have to send the written application to me as what was the reason for your low performance. Fine. So basically you got more time. Okay. So we'll continue with the revision. I will ask questions and you will quickly give the answers. Who was Panini? Quickly, huh? Don't go to book and search. Who was Panini? Very good, Nidhi. Very good. Till now I have got the correct answer. Divyanshu, he was a scholar, but what has he done? He was a famous scholar and he prepared grammar for Sanskrit. Correct answer. Now, three ways to achieve moksha as per Upanishad. Three ways to achieve moksha as per Upanishad. Quickly answer. Very good, Natik. Very good. Raised all. Till now, you have to go to book and search. Huh? We have done so much of revision. Still, you people are having so much issues. Yes, Nidhi, very good. Very good, Chirag. Chirag, please go through your answer once. Yes, now it is correct. So the answer is Karma Marg, Bhakti Marg, and Gyan Marg. These are the three ways to achieve moksha as per the Upanishad. Now, next is as per Jainism. As per Jainism, what are the ways to achieve moksha? As per Jainism. Others are sleeping here. Huh? Why others are not answering? What about Abhinav? What about Prince? Pratham Priya? Why these students are not answering? Huh? Is there any issue with these students? As per the Jainism, what are the ways to attain moksha? Yes, Nidhi. Answer is correct? Yes. Yes, correct. Okay, very good. That is right knowledge, right belief, and right conduct, which is called Tri Ratna. Yes. Okay. As per the Buddhism, what are the ways to attain moksha? I only want the term, not everything. Okay. Yes, Natik, very good. Others still searching. What is the answer? Hmm? Okay, correct answer. At after 7 years, Buddha got enlightenment. Mahavira got enlightenment. Sorry. Okay, which religion among Buddhism and Jainism become more popular in the people? Which religion among Jainism and Buddhism become more popular in people? Correct answer. Buddhism. Buddhism is the correct answer. Okay. At which place Buddha died? At which place Buddha died? At which place Buddha died? Correct answer. Everyone correct answer till now. It is Kushinagar in UP. Okay. Now, at which place Mahavira died? At which place Mahavira died? Correct answer. It is Pavapuri near Rajgir. Yes, it is Pavapuri near Rajgir. Now, next is okay. All the in which language all the religious texts were written, which was difficult for the people to understand. In which language all the religious texts were written, which was difficult for the people to understand. Okay, correct answer. It is Sanskrit. Okay, what was the language which people were speaking? What was the common language which people used to speak? Common language which, okay, Correct answer, Prakrit. Which religion felt that they were ill-treated? Which religion felt that they were ill-treated? Yes, the common language of the people was Prakrit. This Prakrit was having different name in different places. Now tell me which group of people, which caste which caste felt that they were ill-treated? Saurav, correct answer. Others, be quick. Correct answer, Ria. Ria, your answer is wrong. Chirag's answer is correct. Ria, your answer is wrong. Vedic is not a caste. That is a caste. There were only 4 varnas, 4 castes that time, right? 4 varnas were there. Now, where did Vedic came? Vedic is a period. People don't understand the difference also. Shudras were the people who felt ill-treated in the society. What is Prakrit of Magad called? What was Prakrit of Magad called? What was Prakrit in Magad called? Saurav, your answer is wrong. Either you have spelled it wrong. Others' answer is correct. That is Magadhi. And what is the Prakrit in Mithila called? What is the Prakrit in Mithila called? Correct answer, Kritika Roy. Correct answer. Okay, now I am giving you some statements. Tell me whether it is true or whether it is false. Okay, you need to write true or false. Understood? So, the first one is the word Jana come from the word Jina. The word Jana come from the word Jina. It is true or it is false? Okay, now Varsha Kumari, answer is wrong. Wrong answer. Pratham Priya, wrong answer. Others, correct answer. This is true. The word Jaina comes from the word Jina that I have explained. In the revision class also I told that the word Jaina comes from the word Jina. What is the meaning of the word Jina? What is the meaning of the word Jina? What is the meaning of the word Jina? Wrong. Jina, Jina, Jina. Prince, wrong. Wrong. Till now, no one has answered correctly. Everyone wrong. Natik, correct answer. Natik has given the correct answer. Riya, correct answer. Ritika, correct answer. Saurav, correct. So the answer is conqueror. Conqueror is the correct answer. Jina means conqueror. And I explained what they do. They actually conquered the death. That is why they are called conqueror. They attained the enlightenment, attained the spiritual, highest spiritual knowledge. That is why they are called conqueror. Understood? Jina means conqueror. What is the meaning of tanha? What is the meaning of tanha? Meaning of tanha. Prince, your spelling is wrong. Riya wrong. Chirag wrong. Everyone is wrong. Everyone is wrong. Nidhi is spelling wrong. Saurav, correct answer. Hey, who is this? I don't know who is this. Kritika has given correct answer. Rest A, downwards. Nidhi now given correct answer. Priyansu wrong. Chirag, correct answer. Priyanshu, that Tanha is not alone. We are not talking about that. This Tanha is in Buddhism. As per the Buddha, Tanha means thirst. Tanha means thirst. Okay. Who is this? What does bhikshuk means? What does bhikshuk mean? What does bhikshuk mean? Okay. Saurav, correct answer. Others still waiting for your answer. Bhikshuk is a Hindi word and that is very easy. It means so that means beggar. Okay, that means beggar. Okay, now I am giving you a statement. Please tell me whether it is true or false. So the statement is, there was caste discrimination in the Sangha. There was caste discrimination in the Sangha. Chirag, your answer is wrong. Rest all correct till now. Prince, wrong. Ria, wrong. This statement is false. This is a wrong statement. There was no caste discrimination in the Sangha. There was equality in the Sangha. Everyone was allowed to join in Sangha. Understood? So this statement is false. One more statement I am giving. Let me know if it is true or false. The women were allowed to choose different ashram from their husband. The women were allowed to choose different ashram from their husband. There were four ashrams: Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanprasthana, then Sannyasa. There were four ashrams. So the women were allowed to choose different ashram from her husband. All the true people, wrong. All the true people. Only Kritika has given correct answer. Kritika and who is this? I don't know. Priyanshu Raj. Kritika, Priyanshu Raj has given correct answer. Rest all, everyone is wrong. Saurav Kumar, correct answer. Riya Kumari, correct answer. The women were not allowed to choose different ashram. They have to choose the ashram which their husband has chosen. You people don't read the things. The women were not allowed to choose different ashram from her husband. She will choose the ashram which her husband has chosen. What is the book which contains teaching of Zoroaster called? What is the book contains teachings of Zoroaster called? Naitik correct answer. Nidhi correct answer. Till now everyone is searching. Okay, so the answer is Avesta. The teaching of the teaching book which contains teaching of Zoroaster. Avesta. Almost we have done everything in this. Anyone is having any question related to the chapter? Okay, one more question I can ask. Which group of people mainly supported Jainism? Which group of people mainly supported Jainism? Chirag, correct answer. Only Chirag has answered till now. Others looking for the option. What are you people doing? We have done a very good revision of SST and I need the result according to this. No one knows. Okay. So the answer is traders. Traders mainly supported Jainism. Understood? Traders mainly supported Jainism. Okay, we will end the class here only. Okay, thank you everyone for today and prepare for your test properly. Understood? I don't want anyone to get below 16 marks. 16 is the marks which you need to get. Okay, thank you everyone for today.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.